ano yung parang mindset or value na, in-execute mo that time?
For me kasi, I'm always the giver, eh. I'm always
Mm.
the one na channel of blessing. And during that time,
Mm.
different version of myself yung nakita ko, eh. Parang from someone na giver, biglang I cannot give anymore. Kung dati kino-consider kang successful, suddenly you're a failure. Failure is actually not the opposite of success, eh. Failure is part of success.
Yeah.
So parang sabi ko, I'm still blessed kasi for me, nasabi ko sa sarili ko, siguro this is part of God's plan na kailangan kong pagdaanan and makita. Kasi I was still young, eh, nung nangyari po yun. And until now, although
Young pa din naman.
I'm 41, I still feel na ang haba pa po ng
Yeah.
journey. Ang dami pa. So, hindi pwedeng tumigil ka sa failure, eh. Kailangan ilabas mo ulit yung the same version of yourself na channel of blessing sa iba, giver, or who knows, baka mas level up pa. Baka mas
Yes.
madami pang matutunan.
Oo. Pero at the end of the day, is tayo pa rin ang makakapagsabi sa sarili natin.
Yes.
'Di ba na, I did well. It's so
Saka si
happy na
Lord,
si
'di
Lord,
ba?
meron lang challenge na binigay sa akin. May kailangan akong matutunan, 'di ba?
Yes. At saka, ano po, Miss Joycey, I think, minsan talaga, naiiba yung phases ng life natin. Sometimes, yung mga taong kasama mo before, hindi mo nakasama ngayon. But, it doesn't make them less in a way na sabi ko nga, I love my old life. Kung ano yung, sino yung taong kasama ko noon, yung mga kaibigan, I love that version of me.
Oo.
Kaya lang, there's another version of me ngayon na may bago na ulit. And the same thing, I love the people who are with me. So, palagi mo lang siyang i-turn na ano yung positive na ginawa niya sa buhay mo. Mas magaan,
Yeah.
mas maganda siyang tanggapin.
Oo. And also, yun rin yung time na na-forgive mo yung sarili mo
Yes.
and other people. Kasi if dala-dala mo pa rin siya until now, 'di ba?
Mabigat.
Mabigat, hindi ka may dala kang baggages, hindi ka makaka-move forward.
Yes.